Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting electrical power and unplugging the sump pump safety first. Once done, remove the pump from the basin or open the pit cover so you can reach the discharge line. Make sure water is contained with a bucket and towels. Next, inspect the discharge piping to find the check valve and note the arrow showing flow direction because the replacement must match orientation. You'll also want basic tools at hand: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, replacement valve with same diameter, and plumber's tape. You now loosen the unions or couplings that hold the check valve, supporting the pipe to prevent stress on fittings. Once free, remove the old valve and clean the threads or mating surfaces. Leftover gasket bits can cause leaks, so scrape them off. Before installing the new valve, wrap male threads with plumber's tape and confirm the arrow points away from the pump. Thread the replacement in by hand to align, then tighten with a wrench. Don't over-torque, because plastic fittings can crack under excess force. You finish by reconnecting power and running the pump for a short cycle while watching the discharge and the check valve. This confirms one-way flow and that the valve seating is working. If you see drips, shut down and tighten the unions or reapply tape. Small persistent leaks usually come from poor thread engagement or damaged gaskets. If you hear banging or notice backflow, shut off the pump and inspect for wrong size valve, debris inside the flap, or incorrect arrow orientation. Correct those and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.